Hi guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this NEBO Tac Slyde and 150 headlamp combo. So first on the Tac Slyde, so it is a 200 lumen work light, then 300 lumen flashlight, then magnetic base, and it comes with three AAA batteries. So 300 lumens. So then the headlamp is 150 lumens. Then 150 lumen spotlight, then 150 lumen strobe mode. So for 40 lumen low mode. So three triple A batteries as well. So just see at the back side. So here's the specs. So with the different modes for the 150 headlamp. So high, low, and strobe with different lumens and number of hours. Also, it has a ABS construction. So the material, then IPX water resistant, IPX4, then comfortable design. For the Tac Slyde, so here are the modes. So flashlight high, flashlight medium, flashlight low. So different lumens for different modes. Then strobe at 300, then SOS 300, work light high, work light low, then red flashing. I'm not sure about the SOS. What's the difference with the SOS and the red flashing? Then you can see here the 12 times adjustable zoom, magnetic base, then water resistant as well, same as the headlamp. Then this one is aluminum compared to ABS construction, the other one. Okay, let's open this now. So probably I cut, you can see the mark here, so I cut from here just below the logo. Okay, a bit hard. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Let's open here. Let's see. Yep. And see the strap. This one's still attached. Yep. Now let's see. It's a bit tough. Yep. Now it's open. There's some user's manual here inside. So you have user's manual for the two. So how to place the battery, and also some specification. Okay, let's see. So we try this one first. So to open, so this is the hinge part. Then, okay, open this one. Yep. So the battery is already inside. So I don't see any plastic in between. Just press. Oh yeah. So low, then strobe. So this is the high, low, strobe. Okay, then try the other one. This one. Okay, let's try different modes. So now we see the flashlight. So zoom in and out. Then by pressing this button again at the end. So flashlight. So this is strobe. Yeah, I think this one is the SOS. Then this one's the work light. Yeah. Then red. So back to flashlight. Okay, so just turn off like that. But this one will show you. I think this one is very easy. Just slide here. Okay. Oh, it's still bent. Then the other end slide here. Yep. Then you can adjust for the different size. Really cool. Okay, that's it. Now let's see the battery compartment. This one. I think this one. Yep. And here is the O-ring. So this is the spare. Yep. Then you have three AAA batteries. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I haven't shown you the other end. So when you zoom this in, so that is the light, the lamp inside. Okay, then you can zoom out, zoom in. Yeah, by the way, before I forget, let's test the magnet. So probably this one. Yeah, okay, this is the magnet. You can see. So it's attaching to the metal. So great for if you're working on the metal parts, then you can just attach this one. Okay, so that's it. Again, this is NEBO Tac Slyde and NEBO headlamp. Thank you for watching.